So in the question it is given that in a triangle ABC, right angle at B, and AB is equal to 24 centimeter and BC is equal to 7 centimeter. So we have to determine sin A, cos A, sin C and cos C. So let us draw the triangle. It is given in the question that it is right angle at B. So this one is 90 degree at B, and AB is equal to 24 centimeter and BC is equal to 7 centimeter. This is 7 and this is 24. So we have to determine sin A, cos A, sin C and cos C. So first of all we have to calculate AC. So we will get AC from Pythagoras theorem. We know that AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So we have to calculate this one AC. So this will be 24 square plus 7 square and under root of this. So we will get this one is 25. You can calculate and check it. This one will be 25 centimeter. So the first question is given sin A. Sin A. So we have to first know that what do we mean by sin theta. Sin theta means perpendicular by hypotenuse. So when we will consider sin A, means here the angle will be A. So in this case the perpendicular will be BC. So sin A will be BC by AC. So put the value of BC and AC and we will get 7 by 25. So similarly we have to calculate cos A. Cos A. We know that cos theta is equal to base by hypotenuse. So when we will consider this angle A, so in this case base will be AB. So this will be AB by AC. So the value of AB will be 24 and the value of AC is 25. So is 24. Okay, so we get the answer of first one. So first one completed. So now we have to calculate the second one. In this question it is given that we have to calculate sin C. Sin C. When we will consider this angle C, in this case the perpendicular will be AB. So this will be AB by, and the hypotenuse will remain constant. This will be AC. So the answer will be AB by AC, and put the value of AB and AC, we will get 24 by 25. So sin C will be 24 by 25. And when we will calculate cos C, this one is cos. So to calculate cos C, we know that cos theta is equal to base by hypotenuse. So when we will consider this angle C, in this case base will be BC by, and the hypotenuse will be AC. So AC, so the value of will be, put the value and we will get the value, and this will be 7 by